Bienvenido. ¿Estás buscando los mejores gadgets de cocina? ¡Genial! Porque nosotros seleccionamos para ti los mejores gadgets de cocina de Amazon y AliExpress. Estos increíbles gadgets de cocina te ahorrarán muchísimo tiempo. Si quieres comprar alguno, pincha en el enlace de la descripción. Estos gadgets te convertirán en todo un chef. Disfruta del vídeo y gracias por vernos.
Ready to take your taste buds to the next level? Introducing the 700E series from Z Grills.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling.
The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event.
Buy one today and unleash your inner grill master.
Don't you hate it when you pour yourself a hot cup of coffee or tea, get distracted by work or the internet or a phone call, and when you finally take a sip, your beverage is ice cold? Well, with a Joy Jolt double wall glass mug, you never have to worry about your beverage getting cold again. The double wall design keeps your drink extremely well insulated, so your drink stays at the perfect temperature. Joy Jolt glass mugs come in a wide variety of eye-catching shapes and sizes. There are designs that are well suited to cold drinks, and other designs that are perfect for hot drinks. There are glass styles that look very elegant and sophisticated, and others that are very fun and unique. So you're sure to find a design that matches the decor of your kitchen, coffee shop, restaurant, or cafe perfectly. And not only do these mugs look great, they perform great too. They're made of super durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, which is much stronger than common glass, and it keeps the outside of the mug cool to the touch. These mugs are dishwasher, freezer, oven, and microwave safe, so you can use them for literally any type of hot or cold beverage. So if you want to enjoy hot and cold beverages at the perfect temperature every time, follow Joy Jolt and pick out the double wall glass mug that's perfect for you.
your meat ever again. So it's got a whole bunch of functions here. You can change the thermometer settings, so the alarm intervals, the alarm ringtone, whether you want vibration. You can add the triggered alarm, so I've added a trigger before. So the temperature is lower than the range, so that's the alarm that went off there, because we're now measuring 72 degrees Fahrenheit of room temperature. And this works for up to 50 meters away. So it's using the Bluetooth connectivity. So when you're sitting around at the barbecue, you want to have a few beers, have a chat with some friends, you don't need to stand at the barbecue all the time, you've got everything under control.
The Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator is perfect for drying fruits, vegetables, jerky, and more without additives or preservatives. The 5 BPA-free stackable trays allow for continuous airflow, which provides even drying and eliminates the need to rotate trays. The clear lid lets you see inside to monitor the progress. The Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator is made with a stainless design and comes with a fine mesh sheet for drying small food like herbs and a solid sheet for making fruit rolls. With a digital thermostat that lets you adjust drying temperatures and a 48-hour timer with automatic shutoff, this user-friendly dehydrator is all you need to make a variety of healthy snacks. Now that's good thinking.